Today I'm going to be replacing one of the pieces of glass on the rear view mirrors on this H1 Hummer. This is a 2004, so it has the newer style mirrors. It's got the large section here, and then it has a small section that has a curve in it so that you get a more wide angle view. This also has the heated mirror option, so you have the connectors that are in here for the terminals to heat up the piece of glass, the same on the big one. Luckily, they still sell brand new OEM replacements for these. I was able to grab a brand new section. It has the adhesive backing, it has the connectors for the heated glass, and it's a brand new AM General part. I got it from Hummer Parts Guy. I'm sure there's other places that may be able to purchase it as well. I'll put a link down in the description directly to the listing on the Hummer Parts Guy's website for this exact piece. If you need other parts for your Hummer, I hear they're a great source for OEM parts, aftermarket parts, and for me, the couple times I've ordered, they've had very fast shipping and great service. First thing I'm gonna do is take some Simple Green, wipe that down, then some isopropyl alcohol, wipe it down again to get any Simple Green residue off of there. Then we'll have a nice clean surface to put the new mirror onto and for the adhesive to stick to. Next, I'm gonna take my wires. Here's one of them, the other one's tucked in there. Pull them out so that they're accessible so that I can plug them into the back of the glass. After that, we'll start working on the installation. I've got that surface perfectly clean. All the old adhesive residue I got off of there, wiped it down really good. It's a nice clean surface for the new adhesive to stick to now. We've got both of the wire connectors hanging out here, ready to connect to the new piece of heated glass. I'm gonna give it about 30 seconds to dry off in case there's any moisture left on there, and then we'll get the new piece ready. Now for this new piece of glass, I'm gonna take this piece of styrofoam off that's protecting those two heating blades. You'll notice there's adhesive on the entire backing, which is interesting. The old piece that fell off of there, it lost the adhesion and it just wasn't sticking well, so it started rattling and then kind of hung off of there. I unplugged it and threw it away. But the old piece only had adhesive around the edges, which maybe that's why it didn't stick so well. So I guess the updated piece had its adhesive across the entire backing. So I'm gonna go ahead and peel away the protective layer here to expose the adhesive. You guys having fun watching me doing this with one hand? There we go. That's good there. I don't want to touch that to get my dirty fingers or oil residue from my fingers on there, but that's ready to go. I'm gonna need both of my hands, so I'm gonna plug it in over there real quick. Let me show you here. So it goes this direction, and there's the two prongs. Looks like I have to reroute one of these to this hole. That's probably what that hole's there for. So I'm gonna move one of those to that hole real quickly, and then plug them into the back of this guy, and then line it up starting on that side, because that's where I've got a nice flat edge. Make sure here and here lines up really well, and then press down firmly across it multiple times to make sure the adhesive sticks well. There's both wires where they should be. Got the two connectors plugged in, and now I'm gonna put the mirror in place. There it is. Brand new, in place, nice and shiny, no scratches. And now we've got a nice wide angle view again with our OEM replacement mirror. I love factory parts. Whenever I can find a factory part, not have to go aftermarket, that's always my preference. But there you go. Hopefully that was helpful. If you're missing that piece of glass, I'm telling you, it's available, super easy fix. Get it fixed. It's only a few bucks. Links in the description below. Love y'all. I'll see you next time.